speaker, Feng Ping. She's Senior Product Manager at AI Department Nuctech Company Limited. Her presentation will be dealing with airport security and intelligent transit solutions under the COVID global pandemic. Ms. Ping, thank you very much for being with us today, especially for your effort in connecting us since it's been such an early time for you. So thank you for joining us in this event and for all your support. You can now start with your presentation. Just keep in mind the importance of sticking to the time allowed. So please, Ms. Ping, go ahead when you're ready. Thank you.
Hi. Thanks for having me here. And it's a great honor to be here today to share my presentation through this video conference. Let me briefly introduce myself first. My name is Ping Feng, and I'm the product manager from Artificial Intelligence Department Nuctech. And today I'm gonna talk to you about the airport security and intelligent passage solutions under the COVID-19 global pandemic. As you know, under the pandemic situation, how to keep passenger transit safe, more efficient and intelligent to reduce the infection risks from close contact or from the long time staying together with crowded people. That's very important. And it's main responsibility of the airport. So today, my presentation is gonna focus on these two words, safe and intelligent, to share like my ideas to empower the security check for the airport. In my presentation, it has been divided into three parts. The first part is about Nuctech. It's a company introduction. And the second part is a field block temperature screening system, which is a solution for temperature measurement and epidemic prevention for the airport. And the third part is we know AI inspection system, which is a solution for making baggage security check more efficient and intelligent. So those are the three parts. Let's move on to the first part, company introduction. Nuctech is derived from Tsinghua University, one of the top universities in the world, and it was founded in 1997. Now, over 20 years development, we have become a world-famous high-tech enterprise, and now we provide security inspection products and integrated solutions for the world. Our products and services has been helped our customers from over 170 countries and regions. And we have the #1 global market of containers and vehicle inspection system. So for the production manufacturing, now we are global manufactured in not only just China, but also Europe and South America. Through this map, you could see we have factory in Portland, factory in Meiyun, Beijing, factory in Jiangsu, Nanjing, and we have factory in Brazil. Other than that, we have a R&D center in Beijing, in Nanjing, and we have an R&D center in Netherlands as well. And we also have a logistics base in Panama. It formed a global production supply network to meet the need from all over the world customers. So the production capacity of large-scale equipment is more than 160 sets, and the production capacity of small-scale equipment is more than 5,000 sets. For after-sales service, so now we have service agencies in more than 170 countries and regions, and we provide engineering construction training after-sales maintenance, and a timely response to any request from customers. That makes us to give better after-sales service to the customer. So far, we have more than 30 services and 300 plus varieties of security products used in customs, civil aviation, railway stations, urban transit, judiciaries, and big events. For civil aviation, we are committed to provide comprehensive and best fit solution to our customer to enhance both the airport security and the passenger experience. So, for example, we have solutions for passengers and carry-on baggage checkpoint. We have solutions for checking baggage, security inspection, and we also have solutions for air cargo security inspection, freight zone security inspection, and terminal security solutions. But today, I'm not gonna talk more details about those conventional solutions for the airport. Today, just as I mentioned in the topic, we are gonna focus on safe and intelligent, especially for the situation now because of the COVID-19 pandemic. So I think the epidemic prevention is more important. So field blood temperature screening system is for the body temperature measurement and screening. Because like most people with COVID-19, they has like more possibilities to have high body temperature. So that's why it's important to them to do the temperature measurement when people are entering the airport. So in the field block system, the most important products are the AI thermal cameras. In the picture, you can see we have two tabs of the cameras. Both of those two tabs could do body temperature measurement. On the left one is IA200-T. It's an intelligent temperature measurement terminal, which has a 10-inch screen or an 8-inch screen. The detection distance is from 0.3 meters to 2 meters. And it's good for one-by-one passing scenario. For example, it could integrate it with turnstiles or the access control system or door control system. All the temperature could display on the screen. So it's easy for the operator to see what's people's temperature. And the other tab is the normal camera looking, which contains 3 model tabs based on the thermal resolution and the detection distance. So for F2122-T1, the detection distance is from 1 meter to 3 meters. It's good for low flow of people scenarios. For example, the entrance of a small building. It could detect 3 persons' temperature at the same frame. For F2123-T1 or T2, the detection distance is from 1 meter to 5 meters, and it's good for the medium flow of people scenarios. For example, the entrance of the airport or the entrance of the checkpoint, it could detect 5 persons' temperature per frame, and the resolution for this camera is 384 by 288. For 2126-T1 or T2, the detection distance is from 3 meters to 10 meters, and it's good for the large scene, massive flow of people scenarios. It could detect at least 10 persons' temperature at 1 frame. And in this slide, you can see the main features and the main principles of the camera. In the camera, we have 2 sensors. On the top, you could see there is one thermal imaging sensor, and on the bottom is one visible light sensor. We also have an AI chip in the camera, which could conduct face detection through the visible light video. And through the thermal imaging video, we could detect the temperature. As you know, other people are radiating energy, and the thermal camera can receive the energy and convert it into electrical signal. Then we got the temperature, and that's the main principles. For this camera, we have 4 main features. The first one is the most important one, safe, because the temperature detection is without close contact. That will definitely minimize the risk of infection by close contact. The second one is accurate. So with black body temperature calibration technology, the accuracy is plus and a minus 0.3 Celsius degrees. Efficient. When the people are entering the building or entering the airport, so they don't need to stop and wait, the screening efficiency is very high. It's as high as more than 200 persons per minute, because it could detect at least 5 persons temperature at the same time. The last one, intelligent. So we have AI algorithms in the camera. It could precisely locate human face position, and it could avoid the influence of non-human high temperature objects. That means it could only detect the temperature on the face to avoid the temperature of non-human high temperature objects. And based on the camera, we provide an integrated temperature screening solution. We call it fuel block temperature screening system. It's a package. So in this package, we have 1 thermal camera, 1 black body, 2 stands, and 1 all-in-one PC, which is for the fuel block client software. And the whole package has like many comprehensive functions. So I have like 4 functions as an example. First is a real-time temperature detection. The body temperature will be displayed in both IR or visible live video. So the operators is easy for them to recognize what's the temperature of the person. And the second function is mask detection. The system will support mask detection. They will tell the operators whether the person has mask on or not. If the people is not wearing a mask, the system will give out an auto alarm. And the body temperature detection is not gonna influenced by the masks. That means people don't need to taking off their masks. Auto alarm. Auto alarm will send to the system when high temperature occurred. And data statistics. So daily statistics is displayed on the top of the screen. If need, all data could be stored in the local PC based on the regulations. So for the operators, it's easy for them, like how many people are entering the building and how many people have the high temperature. So it's easy for them to do the epidemic prevention work. This is an example in Lithuania Airport.
Este es un ejemplo del aeropuerto de Lituania, donde está instalado nuestro sistema.
This is an example that the intelligent temperature measurement terminal, which is integrated with an access control system. When the people are standing in front of this terminal, it will give out their temperature. If the temperature is normal, and the door will be open. On the right, here are 2 images. Those are real examples, which are installed in the entrance of the airport and the entrance of the checkpoint. Another example, integration with walk-through metal detector. So on the top of the walk-through metal detector, there is a thermal camera. So when people are entering or going through the checkpoint, their temperature could be detected as well. That's it for the temperature measurement and the screening solutions. Now we are moving to the last part. We know in AI inspection system, it's a solution for making the baggage security check more efficient. Actually, the Windows AI inspection system, it's intelligent image analysis system for X-ray scanner. We know the product, it could provide automatic recognition of varieties of contraband.
Excuse me, Ms. Ping, just to let you know, you've got 5 minutes left, okay?
Okay, I'll be faster.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thanks very much. In this series, we have like 4 tabs. We know 100, it could connect with Nuctech X-ray scanner. And we know 300, it could connect with other brand X-ray scanner. And we know 500, it could connect with 4 Nuctech X-ray scanner and 1 other brand X-ray scanner. And we know stack, it could connect more Nuctech X-ray scanner and cargo vehicle inspection system. So this example, X-ray scanner is working with Windows AI inspection system. It could provide fast inspection results. You can see the suspects are automatically marked and displayed on the screen. So this will definitely assist operator to quickly and accurately give out the inspection conclusion. And based on the deep learning algorithm, it offers automatic recognition of varieties of contraband. For example, the knives, guns, metal sprays, and liquid bottle, and firecrackers, batteries, power bank. So the recognition categories could be customized by need. There is a short video. I'm not sure you could see this or not. This is showing the working process. Now, all the suspects are automatically and quickly marked and labeled. And based on the data, for one operator, the average time for them to give out an inspection conclusion is about 6 seconds. But if he is working with an inspection system, the average time is shortened to 2.8 seconds. And for the operator, based on the regulations or the pressure they are facing to, the work time for them is 20 minutes. But if he is working with an AI inspector, the working time probably will be doubled to like 40 minutes. And AI inspection system could definitely improve the efficiency to 30%. So in a conclusion, it could reduce human factor influence, shorten inspection time, and improve inspection efficiency. And we know it could be used in the airport carry-on baggage security check and check baggage security check, security check, quality control, etc. And it can adapt to various manufacturers and single or double view X-ray security devices. So far, 1,000 more Reno Services products have been installed in the airports, help the operators to do the quickly and accurate conclusions. So that's it for my presentation. The COVID-19 is not going to go away soon, so we need to prepare us and equip us in the airport in this situation. So thanks for your time, and I'm happy to answer any questions.
Okay. Ms. Ping, thank you very much for your presentation.